So the front end will be nice, pretty skinny, but nice and clean. The petrol tank, I think it's a Detroit Brothers, I'm not sure. Andy passed it down to me to use on this, which I think it fits on the frame pretty nice. The seat is going to be a sprung seat with a small P-pad on the rear, and the sissy bar, I'm not sure what style yet, but the sissy bar is going to be about the same height as the handlebars on the front, so it's not going to be too outrageous. It'll just keep the bike nice and compact. The rear end, I'm running an Avon SM Mark II tyre, 18 inch, again with an 18 inch Morad rim. Star hub with mechanical rear brake. The rear fender is a Manta Ray lowbrow, pretty short underneath the foot controls. And the rear pipe, pretty much, I mean, it's not in there, but pretty much they're going to be pretty tight to the frame. Not too long, but not too short. Belt drive in the primary, with enclosed with tin primaries. They'll be chromed. Standard kickstand. I'm using a panhead ratchet gear change. The front end is a 35mm FX. It's the lower legs were going to be shaved. I'm using a Morad 21 inch front rim with a Firestone 275 skinny tyre.
And the drum?
The drum is off an Air Mackie SS 125. At first we were a little bit skeptical about using it, purely for the weight reason. A lot of them are on the little lightweight scramblers, but we've been to a few people, had some advice, and they said they're good to go in a big bike. So we've modified the front drum to fit nicely inside the 5mm front end. I'm using a basic 5 3/4 headlight, nothing fancy. And the handlebars are going to be two separate pieces. I'm making a dual clamp system with keyways that will fit inside the top tree, which will allow me to move the bars in various positions depending on how I want to ride it. And they will have an internal mount at the bottom, so the handlebars will look like they're floating in the trees, which will allow me not to have any support bar between the two, which will make them look quite clean on the front end. It's going to be sort of like a subtle orange, bit of cream involved as well, and then we're going to have two different scenes on the tank, one this side and one that side, but both scenes will be the same, but just in a different time period. So I don't know, the bike might get called timeless, but we'll wait and see. A good friend of ours, Toddy from Grimsby, he knows a guy that has been airbrushing now for several years, mainly as a hobby, and he showed us some of his artwork the last time that we were up there, and it's pretty mind-blowing.
A realistic style, or?
He does all sorts from dark stuff up to realistic, and the stuff that we showed him that we wanted, or the stuff that I showed him that I wanted to paint onto the tank, he's well up for it, so hopefully he'll be the man that will do the paint job. Bean from Bean's Paint and Parts, he'll do the main paint work on the bike. He'll paint the frame, do any moulding if it's needed, and then obviously the tank will go up to Grimsby to have the artwork done on it. I'm not sure yet whether I'll put some artwork on the oil tank or whether I'll keep the oil tank chrome. I'm hoping to get the bike finished as a roller for the Tripout show. It's only in a couple of weeks now, so get your fucking tickets and hopefully show it there. It's a fantastic show. It's full of great bikes, great people, great atmosphere. Every year I look forward to it. You know, it's one of my highlights of the year for a really good weekend.
Totally. Tell us about the van.
It's a Chevy van. Obviously came in from America, and it's having a full paint job. Some nice new tyres, nice wheels, nice interior. But yeah, somebody will be very lucky when they go home with that.
Me.
Hopefully it'll be me, but I can't win it. But yeah, it's a lovely thing. We did think about doing a motorbike again this year, but we've done 4 in a row, and we just thought we'd change it by doing something different. Hi, I'm Sav. I'll start again. Hi, I'm Sav from. Hi, I'm Sav. It's these.
Yeah.
I always fucking say bull nose. It's a fucking bull neck.
Neck.
Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Hi, I'm Sav. Bull nose frame. It's come from Holland, from a good friend of mine, from the Netherlands.
You said bull nose again.
Did I?
Yeah.
Fuck, I don't know why. Hi, I'm Sav from Becoming Motorcycles.
Yeah,
Hi.
go for it.
Hi, I'm Sav from. Oh, fucking thing. I hate fucking. Right, here we go. Hi, I'm Sav from.
Yeah, go.
Hi, I'm Sav from Becoming Motorcycles. This is my 60s inspired knucklehead chopper.